Exercising has many benefits. Resistance training can help with weight loss by maintaining muscle mass and boosting metabolism. Cardio can also help but may make you hungrier, so try to eat mindfully. If you are trying to lose weight, you may be wondering how much you should be exercising and what types of exercise you should be doing. At its simplest, losing weight means burning more calories than you consume. So it makes sense to include exercise in your routine since it helps you burn more calories. However, vigorous exercise can also help you work up an appetite. This may cause confusion about the role of exercise in weight loss and whether it can help. So what exactly is the purpose of exercise if you are trying to lose weight? This video takes a look at the evidence to help you find the answer and figure out what's best for you. One of the most popular types of exercise for weight loss is aerobic exercise, also known as cardio. Some of it includes walking, running, cycling, swimming, etc. Aerobic exercise does not have a major effect on your muscle mass, at least not compared to lifting weights. However, it is very effective at burning calories. A 10-month study examined how cardio without dieting affected 141 people with obesity or overweight. Participants were split into 3 groups and not told to reduce calorie intake. Those who burned 400 calories per cardio session 5 times per week lost 4.3% of their body weight, while those who burned 600 calories per session, also 5 times per week, lost a little more at 5.7%. The control group, which did not exercise, actually gained 0.5% of their body weight. Other studies also show that cardio can help you burn fat, especially the dangerous belly fat that increase your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. That means adding cardio to your lifestyle is likely to help you manage your weight and improve your metabolic health if you keep your caloric intake the same. All physical activity can help you burn calories. However, resistance training such as weightlifting has benefits that go beyond that. Resistance training helps increase the strength, tone, and amount of muscle you have. High-intensity interval training is a type of exercise characterized by a short burst of intense exercise followed by a brief rest before repeating this cycle. It can be done with cardio or resistance training exercise and provides the benefits of both. Weight loss is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Excess weight increases the risk of various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension. Losing weight helps improve cardiovascular health, boost energy levels, and enhance mobility. It also positively impacts mental health, reducing stress and improving self-esteem. Achieving a healthy weight through balanced nutrition and regular exercise can lead to a longer, healthier life.